Alright guys, I wanted to go over just a couple little things. Now these are the Gt40p's that I have to disassemble because we have to get the stud pads machine down perpendicular to the bolt hole. That's actually a piece of small block Ford history I didn't realize before. Alright, this has already been disassembled. Now you got to keep every spring retainer together with the shims, okay? Now, a trick to not destroying these little Viton seals is pop the little spring off first before you take it off. Otherwise, it's going to bite into the valve, right, and ruin your seal. So let me pause this and take that off. Okay, pop the little spring back on it so you don't lose it. You take the valve, and you know what's nice? A valve spring box. Fits it all in there, right? Now to get the shims out, because right now they're covered in oil, so they're kind of stuck in there good, and they fit relatively tightly inside the cup. So if you go in there with a good strong magnet pulls them right out. Now you want to keep these exact shims, because these are already set correctly, right, with this spring and with this retainer, and it's got to be marked where it's going to go back. So that's number 8. Alright guys, and then when I'm all said and done, I can take this top and lay it on top, and it'll keep all the dust and everything out of there, so they'll stay clean. They're still going to need to be re-cleaned before everything's assembled, but they won't get it won't get too much dirt. All right, guys. Thanks a lot.